102 degrees today, marking the 20th day in this heat wave, and it looks like we have a few coming up at least the rest of this week, but possibly we could be breaking that later this week, and I'll let you know exactly when coming up in a little bit. But we are having bad air quality across the county due to smoke that is being pushed in from fires that are burning to our north. Most of that smoke is coming in from the Ferguson fire, but that brings up an air quality alert, and this could cause serious health problems, so older adults and children should be avoiding prolonged exposure outside in this heat, as well as this hazy, stagnant air due to that smoke. And this will be in effect until all of those fires are extinguished. Now, for our air quality, technically we'll be in the moderate range tomorrow with an AQI of 100. But again, that's just 1 point away from unhealthy for sensitive groups. So make sure that you are keeping that in mind. If you plan on working out outside, I would try to be doing that inside instead. But we've been hot due to high pressure dominating over the desert southwest, and we are also seeing monsoonal moisture making its way up. Most of those thunderstorms this afternoon and into the early evening hours were into the Sierras to our north, but it looks like we saw a little bit, but doesn't look like much rain fell because we were so hot. But the Storm Prediction Center outlook says for tomorrow that most of those thunderstorms are now going to be pushing to our north, so it looks like Kern County is in the clear. We will still have a 20% chance of those thunderstorms just in case a few do make its way through the county, but most of that is going to be in our desert and mountain cities. But again, it has been so hot, temperatures in the triple digits across the county, that any of that rain will most likely be evaporating. But as for temperatures, well, the triple digits are here to stay through your work week, and that will be into August. But look at this, it looks like we could be seeing some relief as early as Sunday. Temperature 100 degrees, possibly down to 99, and it looks like those 90s will be continuing into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week as well, which is so great. Finally, a break to this heat wave, which is already 20 days and counting. Kern River Valley having that 20% chance of rain, but again, most of those thunderstorms will be hanging out to our north. Humidity levels could rise just slightly, but not enough to keep us away from any fire danger. We saw that fire burning down in Santa Clarita earlier. That was due to dry conditions, winds that are coming in, and these hot temperatures, all that we're experiencing here. So
it can
always
happen.
A chance.
Yep, something we got to keep an eye on. All right, Allison, thanks.
Well,